Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is the best course if you want to learn YouTube automation and learn how to monetize your YouTube channel. This course is created by Matt Parr. As you can see, Matt Parr has been doing YouTube for a number of years, and like it says right here, he has created over 12 plus profitable YouTube channels and made 7 figures from them. In this course, he has a private community of step-by-step course bonuses and checklists. Like, I saw this course a long time ago, and I always thought he was an older guy, and come to find out he's a younger guy who mastered this thing. But if you want to learn how to monetize your channel the right way and make thousands of dollars, you might be able to be, the special student that make millions of dollars. You can do your own investigation about this course, no doubt. This course has taught thousands and thousands of people how to properly monetize their YouTube channel and make a lot of money. A lot of people want to make a lot of passive income and have a channel that runs on complete autopilot. But this course right here is the one you want to purchase that you know you're going to get your money's worth. Some courses about YouTube is not the real deal, but this course has so many testimonials. If you do your research online about this course, you're not going to get no fluff. You're going to get what you paid for. But like I say, Matthew Parr has pretty much discovered the science of YouTube. Like I say, the name of the course couldn't be any better: Tool Mastery and Monetization. So, like I say, he got his own private community, a step-by-step course, bonuses and checklists. See the results from the students, meet them for yourself when you join Tool Mastery. Just testimonials, testimonials, testimonials. You can get the coaching, get YouTube Mastery. He keeps continuing to update the course, You see all the modules. You got 10 modules right here. Introducing Tool Mastery and Monetization 3.0. The 10 modules to 6 figures, what everybody wants. Like, this guy just really, got it dialed completely in when it comes to mastering YouTube. You get access to the mastermind group, list of 100 plus profitable niches, list of 239 example of channels, fill in the blank video script templates, tube channel case studies. They got other, quick start bonuses. It's just well worth the money. This thing is crazy. You can just, like I say, scroll down and, kind of get your idea or interpretation of what you think this course is. But I'm telling y'all, I done seen this guy around, but I kind of blew it off as first, But this course is no doubt the real deal. I rate this one the #1 course online when it comes to YouTube marketing and YouTube monetization. So I'm gonna put a link below this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. And y'all have a wonderful day. But I'm gonna tell y'all, don't get no other YouTube course. Get this one right here. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.